Hi, I'm Claire, librarian with Acton Memorial Library. And in this video, I'd like to share a song with you. It's an old classic and a favorite, and it's one we like to sing in story time sometimes. It's You Are My Sunshine. And if you would like to make music with me, that would be wonderful. You can just listen too if you want, but if you want to sing along, that's a lovely way to make music. Another way that you can participate in making music is by keeping the rhythm. That's keeping the beat. And when you do that, you could use your hands to keep the rhythm. Just clap along with the beat. Or you could use an instrument like a maraca. Or you could make an instrument. We made this one with bells. Or you can look around your home and find something that makes noise, and then you can make music with it. So here's a couple of chopsticks from my home, and I can keep the rhythm with them like this. So it's your choice. You can find something to keep the rhythm. You could always just use your hands and clap. But let's sing together. The song is You Are My Sunshine. Are you ready? I'm going to use my maraca. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Now I'm going to do a little extra shake at the end. All right, good job. And I will put some links to other videos that have descriptions and tutorials for making your own instruments in the notes for this video. But let's sing the song one more time. And this time I'm going to play my ukulele. Here's my ukulele. It's another instrument with strings. I'm going to check and see if it's in tune. Let's see. It's pretty good. Okay, are you ready? You can sing along, clap along, play a musical instrument, or just listen. Are you ready? Here we go. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. All right, thanks for joining me.